Today we are going to be fixing the inseam on a pair of scrub pants for work. Now this will only work if the pants are slightly larger than they really need to be to fit you, because we are going to be making them a little bit thinner doing this. Now it's the inseam here. We're just from wear and tear, it's coming apart on the stitching itself. You can see little holes along the line, so it doesn't look good when you bend over. So we're gonna fix that right up. Can't really see much with black on black, but that's okay. Turn them inside out. Change the thread color on your sewing machine to match the pants you are fixing. In this case, it's going to be black, so you will really have a hard time seeing it when I'm done. Every sewing machine is a little bit different, so if you don't know how to change the thread on your machine, check your manual, and if you still don't know, Google it. Put the camera in position to see what the hell you're doing. Grab your pants. Now the white line is the original seam line in the pant that is coming apart, and the new one in green is the one I'm going to be sewing. Now there's no tears in the fabric, so I'm literally just sewing a new line on the inside of the original one. You don't have to start at the very bottom, you can start up further if you want, and just literally sew another line. Don't have to cut anything out, don't have to rip anything, don't replace anything. Realize your camera angle sucks, and fix it a little bit better. But you're thinking, but I can't do angles, I can hardly sew a straight line. What am I gonna do when I get to the crotch part? You're just gonna sew a straight line. You're just gonna straighten out the fabric and keep sewing up one leg and down the other. Make sure both sides of the fabric are flat as you sew. I think I just passed the crotch, so that shows you how hard that was. Literally just sewing a straight line. And just finish off somewhere. Snip your threads, turn them right side out, and try them on your fabulous body. Voila! They look exactly the same they did before, but without the holes. Progress! Now, like I said, this will make the pant leg a little thinner, or more narrow, I should say. So if the pants are already really tight, this isn't gonna work. You need pants that are, you know, just a little bit loose, so a little bit tighter is not gonna make a huge amount of difference. Remember, the more you take in, you're pretty much doubling it when you sew. Oh, you puppy. That's it. I'm now once again decent for human interaction. And you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time.